Hey YouTube, this is Itchy, and I wanted to bring you up to date on a couple of high readings that came in overnight in the areas that we were watching. Reno, San Diego, Amarillo, Salt Lake City, and let me go ahead and show you these graphs. The data here gets posted just after midnight. It was almost 700 in Reno. Again, 300 is the radioactive hazmat suit level that the EPA recommends, so this is more than double that number. Amarillo, just under 650. San Diego, just under 350. It was quite a bit higher the day before at 50. Salt Lake City, Utah, just under 300. And Spokane, Washington is coming in high again also. Now, what concerns me the most about Reno is that there was no precipitation here. In fact, I pulled up a couple different maps and telecast and weather underground, and there has been only a very tiny amount of rainfall just north of Reno within last week. So if you're in that area and you've been mitigating and you had a nice day yesterday, you probably thought that you were okay. But based on this graph, this is extremely high, and it's very concerning, and I've been trying to tell people to really be careful on the days of precipitation, but apparently we need to be careful at other times also. I'm starting to rely on this map a lot more. Because it seems to be outlining the areas of the highest fallout a bit better than what we've been able to predict with just the jet stream forecasts. So again, here's Reno, Salt Lake City, and then when we get down into San Diego, it looks like the weather pattern is bringing something directly offshore. And that area is what then passed through Arizona, New Mexico, and Amarillo, which is right here. That air is now gone through Oklahoma, Arkansas, the most eastern part of Tennessee, and Kentucky. And I know I've got a few subscribers in Kentucky with little kids. So I'm going to keep a very close eye on these graphs throughout the weekend. I'll probably put out a video every day just to keep on top of this while we have so much going on. And in addition to that, please try to post these forecasts on your local news station websites, because we really need every weather forecaster in the country talking about this right now. And I know that it's going to take a while to get there, but if they really looked at the kind of analysis that we're doing and the results that we're getting, I think it would be really groundbreaking, and a lot of publicity could be gained from any weather service that starts doing these forecasts. So hopefully it will catch on, because we're going to be doing this for a really long time. And keep you guys up to date. Stay safe. And keep an eye out. If you're in these areas, make sure that your kids have their mouths covered if they go outside. I'm going to be getting the 95 masks for everybody this Christmas. I'm going to be making them wear them, because I just don't want to fool around with this stuff anymore. I really think that if you're not mitigating and you're being exposed to levels this high, there's no way that you can avoid this sickness, and unfortunately that's what's gonna wake a lot of people up to this, is when they're kids or when they start getting sick. And of course, anyone who's following this story closely knows that it's already happening. It can be very discouraging, but all we can do is keep trying. So I'll keep you guys up to date. Stay safe.